And this is basically strengthening to give the hair moisture and to full it and keep it healthy. All of these are organic products, no chemicals added. It's all organic. So these are before and after pictures. And in our salon, we have it like this in the showcase, and we sell out of these.
What's the salon?
You can look it up. It's called Merle's Braids and More.
Where you guys located?
On 62nd Northwest 2nd Avenue.
62nd Northwest 2nd Avenue.
Yes.
Where?
Right under the light.
I know that is.
I'm trying
this
I drive a lot of night.
would be good for the hair. So I'm going to spray it. You don't have like a brush or something?
You can try this one. Well, you want to try the curly hair?
And then the straight hair, because they got to break it. And
this hair is a one good hair. We just dyed it just to show customers that is we able to dye it. But we're not really professional at dyeing, but it's this is no conditioner on the hair whatsoever.
So I tried on this, and you don't need a lot to
detangle it. Okay.
So this, I'm just gonna spray it, and then I can just see it's. I need a brush.
Okay, let me give you a. I don't think we have a comb. Oh, sorry.
So if you brush it, you'll see it gives shine to the hair. If you can see it shine to the hair. Let's do this one. So this is for like the ones that freeze up. You see how it just looks now settled, and then at the ends it looks freezy, right? It keeps the hair in place, and then it gives it moisture.
Okay.
So this, people could just put it on their weave,
and you could just go with
it.
it.
It's straight. Also with this, you see how I got all these flakes, frizzes, sorry. Once you spray this and then you comb it, it stays in place how you want it. I don't have a comb.
Even without the comb, it still stays in place.
And then it just looks more shinier. The curly hair, of course, you would have to
do more with it. You have to section it out
and comb it out. And then this, we'll give you guys this sample to keep. Okay, so do you guys also do like wholesales on these also? Yes, we make dozens of these. And how does the wholesale work out with it? Like, the wholesale, how does it work? Okay, and I'm asking you guys a question. Do you guys also do it with kids also? The kids that you think, because I know some people, are allergic to certain things. Yeah, that's again why. So, do you think it will work out for, even kids with cancer? It's all organic, so there's no chemicals added. Okay. Nothing in it is chemicals. Okay. Everything's organic. Okay. I want to introduce to you the hair cream. Okay. It's like one of the best. I don't know if you want to get another hair. No. Okay, so you give us.
You want a curly hair, or
you could give me the curly hair if you want.
The curly hair? Yeah. I'll keep looking at it. Okay, so here it goes.
So curly hair is hard to maintain and deal with.
Of course.
So introducing our hair cream. This is the newest one to the collection, and it works good. So this is the hair cream, and you don't need much to apply. Once you apply it, absorbs into oil, and it's the balm for your hair.
So do you use that like before, after? Like, do you guys have steps with these?
We use it on our clients.
Okay, let's just say
and after.
Let's just say, okay, if I want to use this one day, like, but each one of them, like, can I use this by itself? Can I use the spray by itself? It's not like you don't have to use it together. Okay. Because all them have is different. Okay.
It's also a product made for natural hair. But
So it loosened up the curls, right? Oh, it looks. Oh.
And it also gives it shine and put it back in place.
Put this back on. But that's wonderful.
Like I say, you don't need much, but if you want to put a lot, you can. Makes the hair come back to life.
You see, like I was saying, you didn't need no comb to really detangle it because it works. Hello. It does bring it back into place because you can tell the difference. But what made you guys come up with the brand? Like, it was something that it was personal, or
it wasn't personal. I just thinking one day I was like, why you just don't come out with a hair cream? And you know, my mom was always known for her hands. You know how they say some people's hands just
don't go with people.
Yeah, her hands they always trust her with their hair. So they'll trust you with making a grease. And we made it, and we seen it was miracles working, and we just continued on it.
And how
we started off with just
with that piece only. So how often do clients come to you guys to get their hair treated? Like, do you guys treat their hair and style it also, or do you guys they just come for like a wash and set? And
we are trained in treating natural hair, so we use our product on all our clients. So even if they don't buy it at that time, they'll see progress in their hair, and then
they will continue to recommend other people
to
also
buy it. And as soon as they run out, they don't even have to run out. As soon as they have it and they're out, they come. We like sell out of this. That's what making us now take it like serious. And
do you guys recommend like how long you guys been around?
We've been around for 9 years.
How long the product been out?
Has been around for 5 years.
So this is do you guys have it in the hair stores or no, not yet? You guys do?
No, we don't have it.
Not yet. Are you guys trying to
everywhere?
No, like you guys trying to put it in the hair store? Because I know there's some like girls like our ages or whatnot, and they out here putting their edge controls inside beauty supply stores and making their profits or whatnot. But are you guys trying to do that also, or no, not yet?
We're basically trying to just show them results.
Yeah, but you know, there's some people that's outside of the state that's not able to travel to you guys. So if you guys have it in different hair stores around the world, that's like a motivation and a push for you guys to do it. Not just, it's wonderful to go to like stores, of course, but it's even better if you guys was just like go out of town, like, hey, can we leave this product here? Like maybe find and sell it to people. So customers come and be like, can I have this product? Because it works. You understand? So this is something that you guys most definitely should look into, because I see people that's out here with their edge control. And it does a lot, but it don't really does a lot. But if you guys been around for 5 years, I think you guys should definitely push into more of the hair stores.
Right.
Not just like staying local, like ship them out, like give other hair stores samples.
That's what I'm trying to do.
I'm telling you, just push it. Don't.
So as you guys can see, the hair is back to life.
Of course, it's a real good product.
Yes.
It don't look too dry. The shine is in. Like you can put your fingers through it. Like that's right. That's something wonderful.
Okay.
I'll definitely recommend somebody to definitely buy it. And you guys can do it by wholesale.
Yes, we do.
So,
Thank you.
no. Thank you for actually taking the time out your day to show us your products. Oh yeah, you didn't mention this. What is this?
Okay, this is a whole different brand. It's with the same line, which is Nature Magic Secret. It's just a different brand. And this is basically our organic facial cream bar.
Okay.
And we also wanted to leave this
So tomorrow evening,
because
right?
it's very good.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
So it's
Our clients also use this.
that's a bar.
It's a facial bar, and
It
organic.
seems like a cake, honestly. Feels like a...
It's with oatmeal. It got all the beets.
But you know, a lot of people are allergic to things, so how will you guys do it so people don't get to? Are you guys looking for another? Because a lot of people don't like are allergic to like oatmeal. Because I know some they're allergic to it. So are you guys gonna change that, or you guys?
No, we wouldn't change
You
it.
wouldn't
We
change
would just put the ingredients
It's
on
in
it.
there. There's
They
allergic
know
to
they
it.
can't
They
take it.
can't.
They can't.
And this is also what
This is a part of it, and it's the face cream.
on a face cream.
This gives you a refresher to your face. You can use it for your face and body. You can wash with your whole body.
And do you recommend the cream at night, or does it matter?
At night, because at night is when we're like settled. So it will sit in more, and you'll see the...
And you'll wash your face in the morning
your face
too?
in the morning with this. And
That's good too. At least you guys have something for nights also. So you want us to and the drops is how many times would you?
The drops is it can be made for a hot oil treatment, and then it could just be made for
last spot,
edges, wherever.
And how often would you recommend somebody to put the drops in?
Me?
Yeah.
I used to put it every day.
Every day.
But you can put it 3 times out the week. You'll see.
You think your hair should be like braided down, already treated?
Braided. This would be faster to go through if it's braided.
Okay.
But as soon as you get a treatment or something, you would want to use these products.
Okay.
So it can hydrate your hair, give it moisture. After you get a roller set or whatever, or a washing set, you just apply these in it. It keeps it and restores it quickly.
And you said it lasts it will work within a week, right? That's not bad either.
And then this product, if you don't abuse it, this product lasts about 3 weeks.
If we don't abuse it, because like you just put some in, you didn't need that much.
Right.
For the hair.
So this is Nature's Magic Secret. Marcus is recording us.
Marcus didn't warn us. This is it's a good thing. I see the difference on before you put it on our hairs and after, because it does restore and it does leave that shine. So that's something that you guys are trying to do, right?
Yes.
To leave that shine. No, it's really good. I recommend anybody to try it out, if anything. So
I told Jennifer that I was gonna get her number. So we can touch base like that and to even see if I can get into the warehouses. So that's why I wanted to speak to.
Yeah, I'll definitely knock on the door and you can speak to him about the next step that you're going to be trying to take.
Okay.
And he can tell you what we can do from there. And you guys do it like big wholesale also. Because we do have like castor oils and stuff there. So maybe if he is willing to do it, we can also leave it, here. So customers come, I feel like I'm part of the team because I know everything already. So I can just explain to them what to do. So I'll definitely knock on the door and I'll let him come out.
And then these are for you guys to keep as a sample.
Okay.
This is the spray mist. It's a Detangle mouth solution, so it detangles.
And then best off to use this with a brush of them brushes. Okay.
And then this is the hair serum, and then we have our cream.
So do you think that we should like put them in little bags to give it to customers so they can test sample it? Because we can't just give it to them like that. So you like give them to like little plastic bags like that, and we can just give it to them and put like a little bit so the customers can do it. Because if you got like these are wonderful samples for like businesses like this, but like individual people, you guys should come out with something that's like real small and just give out people the samples of it with your business.
Samples.
Are you ready?
But we ran out. Okay. So, but that is a great idea
to give, because we can carry it, we can recommend them your Instagram, your numbers and everything if they they want to try it out. But also, we would love to just give it to like put in one of our clients' bags of goodie bags.
Okay. Yeah, I like the cream too.
Let me help y'all out right quick.
definitely recommend this to any customers that's losing hair or that's willing to try something new for their hair products. So definitely check out these two. What you gonna say? Stop! Y'all gotta tell me.